Coming up in this video, I've got a classy daiquiri going on with Dead Man's Fingers, a brand new lime flavoured rum. I say classy, we're going to have a little fun flip with it. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I'm Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks even more. That's what I'm all about. I love bringing fun to you guys at home. Today's video, Dead Man's Fingers Lime. We're going back to that. I've had a little play. This cocktail I haven't tried yet. It's a little bit of an experimentation. I said classy at the top because we are going to serve it up in a little Nick and Nora. So we're going proper daiquiri style. You could probably call this a lime and hazelnut daiquiri. It's going to be very obvious what the ingredients are. But as always, I want you guys at home to help me with naming these drinks. So once you see this, if you've got a better name for it than a lime and hazelnut boring daiquiri, then stick those suggestions in the comments below. Before we crack on, quick shout out to my Patreons, and more about joining me on Patreon at the end of this video. But for now, big shout out, big love to Mark, to Christopher, to Ben and to Lucy. Thank you for your support, it means the world. Daiquiri time. So Nick and Nora glass, lovely little Nick and Nora glasses. I love these. We need to chill it down, so I'm just going to stick some crushed ice in there just to get that nice and cold. Obviously going to make this in a cocktail shaker. Very, very simple this one. 50 ml of your Dead Man's Fingers lime rum. Proper, hasn't got a sort of fresh limey sort of nose to it. But when you taste it, it's like the rum, that's what you kind of get. But it has got a lovely sort of lime, perfect sort of, if you love your Cuba Libras, or if I've started calling them Cornish Libras, oh, it's amazing with sort of Coke or Pepsi or something like that. Anyway, 50 ml of that. Lime juice, I'm just going 15 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice with this one, 1.5. And then the final ingredient is your sugar, and I'm going hazelnut. Now, you could, the recipe I kind of saw was, so I forget the brand now, but it was another sort of lime rum from back in the day, like years and years ago. Or someone had flavoured up a rum with lime. But they'd use Frangelico in the daiquiri, which is a hazelnut rum, a hazelnut liqueur. And because I love these guys, I've ODK, I've got hazelnut syrup, and I've only used it a couple of times. It's only been a little bit out there. I just wanted to try it with as a sugar replacement. So I'm going 15 ml of hazelnut syrup in there. Now the colour is not going to be brilliant, as you can see, but I've got a funny feeling this might work a treat. So all I need to do now is just ice that up, and then we're going to give it a damn good shake down. Right, then loads of ice there. Tin on. You want to get this one proper icy cold because there's no ice in the finished drink, so really hard, really fast, 12 seconds. Right, when we've got the chill on, oh, that's lovely and cold. Oh, when we've got the chill on, tin out, glass out, get rid of your crushed ice out of there, give that a little waft, get rid of all the water. Right, and because we're going classy, we're going to double strain this. Hawthorne strainer, Krypton Factor Challenge. Double strain. What do we think of the colour, guys? What do we think? It's not bad. Can't wait to try this. Right, there we go. Let's just pop a tin to one side. Before I garnish up, I'm just going to garnish it with the lime wheel. Let's have a little test. What do we think to the colour? We'll get it away so you can see it on the white background. It's not too bad. Oh, wow. I was not expecting that. That is proper tasty. You get the hazelnut up front first. But, oh boy, wow, that's so good. So good. Need to do a bit more stuff with that hazelnut raspberry lime. Oh, hello. I'm going to have another play with that. Anyway, let me know what you think about this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. As I said at the start, I want your help to name it. If you can't think of anything else, we're just going to go with the hazelnut and lime daiquiri. But I want some fun names. So let me know in the comments below. If you want to see more of my stuff, if you like me, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you don't want to miss any of my future videos, then do ring that bell, because then YouTube will let you know every time I stick a new video live. Just before we go, Patreon. I'd love it if you join me in my Patreon. Basically, I'm trying to give back to you guys. I'm trying to help educate, help you have more fun with drinks. 3 different tiers on there. One of them is you get my free updated monthly cocktail book at the end of every month. You get weekly serving suggestions. There's also another tier in there with lots of educational videos. Go and check that out. Links in the show notes. Oh, that is lovely. Cheers.